Alright guys, for our next item from our sponsor, Viking Bags, they sent us this big old thing here. So this giant bag is called the Viking Voyager Premium XL. So if you're one to take long trips and want to pack stuff up, this will be the perfect bag for you. Was definitely excited when I saw this bag, especially because I've been looking for a new one for us to use for Sturgis, and I think this would be the perfect one. So let's go through the pockets and the features, and we'll kind of go through this whole thing. So it's got a nice big top pocket here, nice mesh pocket that you can store items in separate from the top. You have a big open pocket here that you can store things in. You can put boots or anything else that you want to keep separate from your main items. Or if you want to make it a little bit bigger, you can actually, there's an unzippable pocket right here you can kind of see, and that'll fold down, and then you can actually combine the two main pockets together. So, but if you want to keep stuff separate, you can keep the separate stuff up here and just zip that little divider up and you'll be good to go. So that's the top one. Each of the side pockets here, perfect for storing sunglasses or anything like that. They got two on each side, which is handy for storing stuff if you got an extra rider with you. So we'll move to the main pocket here. Alright, so the main pocket, just like I was telling you, you can unzip this top pocket and connect the two pockets if you want. You can keep it shut if you want to keep it separate. If you got maybe boots or any type of riding gear that you want to keep separate. Maybe you can keep camera gear in here if you got camera stuff that you bring along with, that kind of thing. So inside, so actually they also give you a shoulder strap. So when you're stopping at places and you want to bring your bag with and bring all your personal items with, you can connect it to the straps up top, and you can actually make this into a little shoulder strap and carry your bag with you. It also comes with an extra little rain gear or rain cover that you can put on if you want. On the inside, it's got a kind of a long, big mesh pocket on the side for storing items, and it has it on both sides, it looks like. Then it has this big padded pocket here, and this is actually like a laptop pocket, so you can fit your laptop in there. Another thing that I like are these zippers. They have like a rubber seal almost, it looks like, on them that keeps it nice and tight looking. So yeah, that looked pretty cool to keep rain out and different moisture and things like that. We'll go to the front pocket. Front pocket has a couple mesh pockets. Maybe you can put like chargers or your phone in there or things like that. Another little pocket here. On the inside, it's got another big pocket that opens up that you can fit things in. And then you can use, obviously, the main pocket right up in front. Okay, so on the side, they also have pretty good, big, good-sized pocket on the side there. And they have one on each side, so lots and lots of storage. So yeah, then it's got the clasps on there that you can put the shoulder straps on if you want to pick it up and move it. It's got the nice grip up here that you can pull up and hold it with there. It's got straps on each side that have little rubber handles. And then this is a Sissybar bag, so it's got the Sissybar straps on there to fit to the back seat, or your Sissybar, whether you just have a normal Sissybar or if it's got a pad on there. It does have 3 straps, so you can slide it on if you want, or you can kind of wove it in between your Sissybar, whichever kind of style you have or whatever works for you. So yeah, so this is the Viking Voyager Premium XL bag. So I'm going to do a video too and try to fit all my stuff that I take along on a ride with and see if I can fit it in here. I feel like I'm probably going to have no issue doing that. This is a pretty good solid bag, so I'm definitely excited to test this thing out. And I think this will be the perfect bag for our longer trips and everything. So stay tuned, and thank you Viking Bags for sponsoring us, and thanks you everyone for checking out our video. Stay safe and ride.